Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today I will show you how we can draw this mechanical object which is a 90-degree bend for a pipe. So let's start. First we will go to the top view and here I will draw one rectangle which will be with the dimension of 140 units by 140 units and one more which will be 110 units by 110 units. Okay. I will draw just one line from here to I need to trace this middle line. We will delete this line after that from both of them. Now I will draw this circle for the holes, which will be 10 units. Okay, and I will just copy this to all the four corners. Okay, now I will draw one more circle, which will be from the middle point here. That will be 45 units. Okay, and one more circle, which will be 175 units. Okay, with the diameter. So I need to copy this from here with the center point to here. Okay, and now I don't need this line, delete that one. Here also I don't need this corner circle, also delete this. Now I'll move this from this base point to here. Okay, and I don't need this anymore. Here also I'll need to take one offset with the 5 unit of this circle to outside. Enter, and we need one line from here to here to trace the midpoint and here to here also. Just trim this portion which we don't need anymore. This line also no need. Now this rectangle also no need for that. Now we have command sweep. Okay, and we select this object, enter with this path. Okay, and another command we have press pull. We will just do this press pull with the 5 unit, enter. Now if you see here, this pipe is empty from the center or inside, but here it's completely coming like a solid. So what we need to do, if you remember, we was having two circles, so we need to subtract one circle from the top, enter, and that's middle one, remove. So it's becoming like a pipe now. Okay, now we need to move this 3D object. We need to copy this from here to track the center from here to here and also from here to here. Now, to rotate this, we have command 3DR. We can rotate 3D object on that. Select this one, enter, and give the axis. I need to rotate in this axis with the 90-degree. Okay. And here also, same 3DR, and I need on this axis with the 90-degree. So I'll just delete this. Now you can see all portion are ready. Just you need to do coloring. Color depending on you. You can go to material lab or you can just directly do from here any color as per your own requirement or your own design. So I hope something you understand from here, something you learn. If you learn anything from here, so follow me for more AutoCAD tutorial. Thank you.